What's going on, guys? MikeyDC here with Mikeydailycarry, back with another EDC POV. What did I carry this week? We're doing this thing weekly, y'all. So left pocket, I don't got anything there because I usually have my phone in this pocket and I'm recording with that bad boy right now. No keys on my belt loop because that is in my bag. Mag pocket, left side. These are 511 jeans, by the way, 511 tactical. This right here is the ARC. I also got MCB, Rips Garage Tech skins on there. This honestly has replaced a folder in most cases on a day-to-day basis, but I do have a folder. I'm going to show that in a second here. Also in that mag pocket is the Pom Pepper Spray. I actually did a review video on this. Really great for self-defense. It's a great option between a harsh word and a firearm. And that is what I have in the back left mag pocket. Now the back pocket, left side, I got a Bweiss Carry All. This is the full size. And I have a titanium getup here with an Olight i3T in titanium. I also have the baseline bolt action pen by Big Idea Design. Really like this pen. And then I have the Gondek EDC Travelers Pry bar. Super awesome. And I also have a Griffin Scout F3 front flipper. Also have this as a Spidey flick. Really like what Griffin Scout has been putting out. And that is what I have laced up in this Bweiss Carry All. I'll make sure I link all these items in the description. Moving on to the right side. What do I have in the right pocket? In the fifth pocket, I got this right here. This is by Swamp EDC. Little paperweight bottle opener. What's cool about this, I've mentioned it before, is that this is interchangeable. So I got some micarta action going on there right now. I've switched it out from the titanium one that I had on here. Also a great ring adds on to that. You know what I'm saying? In that same fifth pocket, your boy got to stay laced up with a chapstick as always. Also in this belt loop, AirPods Pro 2. Got that right there in the Moss Andar case. Over in the mag pocket on the right side, I got a wallet here by Open Sea Leather, Houbei 2.0. And inside actually, I got a twist pen by Big Idea Design, which just lives right here. And in my back pocket on the right side, I have a Hank. This one right here is Renegade Provisions Co. with Big Eye Design, Right Slice Fix. And then lastly, on my wrist, I got the Apple Watch Ultra Series 2. And this right here is the ModProjects AP Apple Watch case. What's cool about this watch is that you can switch the faces out. You want an AP, you want an Omega, more APs, you want a G-Shock. Super awesome. I have a link for all this and I will put that in the description of this video. You got some Pokemon action, back to Rolex, you know what I'm saying? And that is what I carried this week. What did you carry? Waka pow!